everyone, so in today's video we are getting and setting up a new animal on our farm. So if you want to see what animal we're getting and setting up for, please stay tuned for our animal to arrive.
This gate's bigger. So let's go over there and try it on the smaller one.
Alright everyone, our new animal just got here and we got a pig! That's right, we have added a sweet pig to our farm family. Just got here and we're doing some talking right now, and so we're just waiting over here, and so we'll be getting our pig all nice and set up very, very soon. So stay tuned for that. How do you feel about the pig?
Very nervous. Very excited though.
How do you feel about the pig? Ready?
We're getting pig, yeah.
I'm ready.
Yeah, it's unzoomed.
It bounced up, it wasn't me.
You told me we had a baseball tournament today. There's no way I'm gonna be able to get to this base. Yeah.
This was Penelope's. They didn't have any at Woods.
We're gonna need a bigger boat. You're gonna need like a pool.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. Hold on.
She having fun. Well, anyways, I wasn't gonna fill that up all the way.
That's new pig. That's Mama Pig.
Look, KK. Look how big Penelope grew.
That's Mama Pig. Not no pigs can get this high, this big. Yeah.
Big.
A new piggy. Pigs. Dang.
Is it tight?
Don't let this one out.
Well, we're gonna need another one of these. Look at
Is it
it.
tight? It needs to be tight.
It's not tight.
OMG, she is cute. And too cute.
More water?
Oh my god,
I honestly thought that she would be big.
but not this big.
Oh.
Pat, pat.
Hot. Ooh, that girl is strong. Dude, God. She does nothing.
Look at that tail go down.
Like she
She's like, that feels so good. Thank you.
I thought we.
Good morning, everybody. Say hi, KK. KK, say hi. All right. Anyways, feeding the piggy for the first time this morning. That's just one day of pig food?
Yes.
Okay. And so we are going to be feeding her. Hello, pretty piggy.
Probably does, because this water.
Oh. No. She's waiting for her foods. Hey, don't step on that. All right. Yummy. Is that good?
Mommy. Piggy eating.
I know.
Alright, so we're going to be refilling the Mama Pig's food, which is right here. So first off, what we need to do is we need to get 1 cup of cracked corn. We just have a simple measuring cup and 1 cup. You can see is like right here.
Mhm.
So we're just going to get 1 cup of cracked corn. That's 2 cups. That's around 1 cup. And then next, we're just going to be getting her some of her own pellets food, and we need, I should say,
2 quarts?
2 quarts of her pellet food. I don't know how much. I'm pretty sure this is 1 quart. And then the second quart will be this.
All right. And that
Is all we have to
That's
do.
what we do for Miss Piggy. Bye. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I hope you enjoyed us getting our new pig. Thanks for watching. Bye!